So I fixed up two laptops in 25 to 100 seconds, and here's how I did it. This one had a password related issue. The owner couldn't quite remember their password, so I had the task of resetting it. Interestingly, it took me a little while to get it removed. I didn't have my usual tools, but nevertheless I got it removed. It's currently doing some maintenance as we speak, and the touchscreen works fine, as you can see. This one was a bit dusty when it was received, but with a bit of dusting and a long brush, we got it looking brand new. No, it's not in the best of cosmetic conditions, but it's looking a bit better than it first came. Now all we have to do is plug it in and see what's happening. We also upped the RAM from 6 gigs to 8 gigs, so we're gonna see how that turns out.